Nolan interior sofa covers offer a simple and stylish way to give your existing furniture a refresh or provide added protection. But like any product, they have both advantages and drawbacks. Pros: easy to install. Many reviewers find Nolan interior covers remarkably easy to put on. They're designed to stretch for a snug fit, variety of colors and patterns. Nolan interior offers a decent selection of colors and patterns to suit different tastes and decor styles. Soft and comfortable. The fabric feels soft to the touch, adding a cozy element to your furniture. Affordable. Compared to reupholstering or buying new furniture, these covers are a cost-effective solution. Pet-friendly. Covers help protect your sofa against pet hair, mud, and scratches. Machine washable. Spills and accidents happen. Most Nolan interior covers are machine washable for easy cleaning. Cons: may not fit. All. Sofas. Nolan interior covers work best with more standard sofa shapes. If you have a very unique or oddly shaped sofa, you might struggle to find a good fit. Prone to shifting. While easy to install, depending on how much you use your sofa, the covers may slip or move and need occasional readjustment. Limited fabric options. The fabric is generally described as soft, but if you're looking for specific textures, like velvet or linen, you may not find them here. Durability may vary. Some reviewers mention that with extremely heavy use, kids, large dogs, the fabric might show wear over time. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.